All right, how are we doing today, folks? So we just had a stay here at the Cabana Bay, over here at Universal. I'm gonna give you a little tour. We've got a room tour for this, and we'll have some videos for all the parks we went to because we went to Epic for the first time. So let's take a look around, and see what we have here. All right, so this area right here is actually for, they said, rideshare when we got here. You park on the outer ring there if you're checking in. At least that's what they told us when we got here. All right, when you get in, you got your check-in over there. Customer service, vacation planning over here. And this is a little bar that opens up during the day or later in the day. And usually at night they have a singer there. All right, as we walk around. Standard gift shop. They have a Starbucks here if you don't mind waiting in a long line for your Starbucks. All right, and we're gonna head up to the second floor here. All right, up here on the second floor is where we have our arcade. And you can walk, but then you can walk around to the Galaxy Bowl or just come through this door, which they have locked.
I wasn't paying attention.
Is that 30? Thought you had the 5. All right, then from the game, you can go over to Galaxy Bowl over here, which I'll show you the inside and everything in just a second. They're actually not open yet, so I can't go in, but I'll stick up to the window. Here's, you got to get reserved times, and they even have some food. A little bar. So I know it's kind of hard to see with the reflection, but you got the lit up lanes, balls, a little seating area back there. All right, from there then, you can walk this way. Of course, you have a restroom up here for you. And then the third thing up on the second floor here is the Jack Lane Physical Fitness Studios. So if walking through the park, why is two open door, please. Oh, there we go. That's your standard gym. And for the ones who do not know who he is, he started this whole physical thing. That's his famous one-piece jumpsuit he was in. Started back in the 50s, had a show that ran through the 70s, I believe. So that's what we've got upstairs. And we'll head back down. All right, then we come back down the stairs and we continue around. We come up on the food court area. Go through there and you'll find several different stations, several different foods, some grab and go stuff. Everything we had, we enjoyed pretty much. It wasn't all not bad for, one would say, resort food. We think the pizza was actually even better than Disney. Don't let Disney hear that. But anyways, then you can take it back up to your room, or you can come down and sit down here in this nice, spacious area. We show videos of old commercials and stuff for NBC, and for us older folks, it's kind of nostalgic, and the kids go, "What's that?" So, anyways, you got your condiments and coffee or refills stations over there for your sodas. Another bathroom over here. And it's not open right now, but there is a malt shop right here. Anybody want some ice cream and a malt? All right. So we will head out the other side of here, because this whole thing's designed in a horseshoe. All right, now going out by the cafeteria, you have some more rooms on both sides. We think these are standard rooms. We had gotten family suites at ours, so we believe that was what's on that side, or the other side with the outside entrances. These are all inside entrances. And you get a view of Volcano Bay from here. And there's actually, I don't know if I'll get to it, but out there by that tower out there is a way you can walk to Volcano Bay from here. So if you're staying here in Volcano Bay, you don't have to take the bus. You can just walk over, which might be a little faster. All right, like I said, there's more rooms over here. All right, now we're coming to the second pool area. And there's, if you want to lay out in the sand thing in Florida summer heat, have at it. It's always good to have some shade, though, when you're in Florida sun. All right, there's a pool over there. There is no slide over at this pool, but this pool does have a lazy river, which I'll show you here in a minute. All right, as we come right here, we got the Hideaway Bar and Grill, where you can, of course, get something to eat and something to drink. And as you can see, you can get towels while you're down here. All right. Continue around the pool. And as you continue around here, all right, right over there, if you kind of go around that corner, is the hot tub, little splash pad, and of course the all important bathrooms. And you work your way around here, and you find the lazy river entrance. And if you want, there's also a place to blow up your own tubes, along with renting them if you're traveling too far away, you need to rent them. All right, now if we go back to the lobby and head out the lobby doors, first of all, they don't have any listed, but they do have poolside movies. And on this side is usually more of the kid movies. And then you have the rooms. You got the Starlight. You got Castaway Castaway over there, and then Thunderbolt over there. Thunderbird over there. Those are the rooms we were in. We were actually over in Castaway at 1341. Like I said, we have a room review on that and a follow up on that. So we'll post that separately. But here's pool number 1. This is a pool with a small little slide on it. It's a nice little area. Oh, also on the rooms, if you have room ends in an even number, this is your view. If you have an odd number, it's the parking lot, or we happen to be able to see Universal from our room. So it's a nice, good sized little pool. There's your slide. Then over here you have the Atomic Grill, which is a little snack area. We got the chicken wrap and the burger while we were here. We thought they were both good for resorts. And then you have a what? Sure. Hey, vlog. And then we have a full size bar. She has no idea who we are, but that's fine. And then the Atomic Tonic is a little bar here. And over here, you will find the hot tub. Now, if we walk around a little bit more, of course, the best thing to do is get here early if you want to get an umbrella. And over here, you have cabanas you can rent. Not sure on the price because we never use them, so.
Yeah, we're definitely. Yeah, like 3 hours.
And there's the walkway up to the slide, and then you have a nice little kiddie area over here for the kids. And the restrooms are on that far side right there. All right, so this is the pool side. We'll go check out the other pool side. All right, that's our walkthrough for Cabana Bay. We'll post this video and some others up of our trip, and I hope you all enjoy them.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!